Hello guys, welcome to Geo's Curious. Today we are going to know how to control our laptop or PC with our mobile phone. So the prerequisites are the mobile can be an Android or an iOS, but the PC must be a Windows machine. So the thing is, after watching this video, what you have to do is scroll down and click on subscribe button and click on bell icon and then browse to the link in description and click on download, and the download will start slowly. Simultaneously open your Play Store and type Monect. Click on install. After installation we will catch you later. So after downloading, open the downloaded file and unzip the file. OK, and go to the installation folder and then run as administrator. OK, next, agree, install. Finish. So the most important thing is the PC and the mobile must be in the same network, like both are in the same Wi-Fi network. See, you can see here both are in the same network. Save and then go to the profile and then click on connect, and then this is the available device. Now you are connected. See, now you can control your PC with your mobile. See how I am connecting. This is the best software what I have seen till now. No software have these much capabilities like this. There is screencasting, screen mirroring, and vice versa, with wireless USB support, with volume control and shutdown and control keys, everything. We will touch all the tools later. See here we can control how I am controlling. Too easy. There is no latency in this software. Like no latency, there must be some latency. Now we are controlling, we are screencasting our PC to our mobile. See, at the same time you can cast your PC screen to the mobile, and then you can control simultaneously. See, the three dots have so many options. See, this is touch option. You can directly touch without mouse interaction. Okay, you can see how it is too easy to control like this. There are so many options in that toolbar. See, now I am using the PC screen as a drawing board. This is the best software what I have seen till now. No software have these many features. Now we are going to see the wireless USB option. Hello. Okay, this is the wireless USB. The mobile is connected wirelessly to the laptop via Wi-Fi. See, you can see this everything is from my mobile. All are from my mobile. These files and folders are from my mobile. You can see that SD card folder. Data Android. I am not simply showing. It's working. You can try it later. Okay, fine. Now we will see some more tools. We are going back. Now we can open our PC folders with our mobile. We click on PC folder. See, there are three partitions. ABC. This is from my PC. I am seeing through my mobile. This software allows everything to do with our PC by our mobile. Everything like data transfer and screencasting screen mirroring, everything, and volume control, shutdown, everything. See, you can see the 3 folders. See, OS, same folders are showing, but the hidden folders we can't see. We can't see the hidden folders. Okay, so we can see here there are only some folders we have seen from the screen. Okay, there is a premium subscription. After this subscription you won't get these ads anymore. No need to pay the subscription. The app works fine. So this is our touchpad. No need to use our mouse or anything. With our mobile we can do anything. This is how we can screencast our mobile to our PC. Start now. Okay, you can see here. This is my PC recording, not my mobile recording. This is my PC recording. You can see here. Okay, fine. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, please do like, share and subscribe, and we will catch you with the best tips on Windows.